When it comes to survival, having the right knife can make all the difference. Whether you're venturing into the wilderness, preparing for emergencies, or simply need a reliable tool for tough tasks, a high-quality survival knife is essential. In this list of ultimate survival knives on Amazon 2025, we've carefully selected the best options based on durability, versatility, and real-world performance. From rugged fixed blades to compact bushcraft knives, these picks will help you tackle any challenge nature throws your way. Stay prepared, stay sharp, and let's dive into the best survival knives available this year. Prepare for your next wilderness adventure with the SEUBi BK Companion. Designed to tackle any bushcrafting challenge, this beast features a 5-point to 5-inch blade made from tough 1095 Crovan steel, built to withstand the toughest conditions. The factory 20-degree edge and flat grind ensure it's sharp out of the box, ready for everything from chopping wood to carving. The handle, with contoured Zytel scales, provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in harsh conditions. Its 0-point to 6-inch thick blade excels at heavy-duty tasks and is easy to sharpen when needed. The knife comes with a durable polyester sheath and belt loop, offering multiple carry options. But that's not all. The versatile design allows the BK Companion to be used as a spear when the situation demands. Whether you're a seasoned bushcraft enthusiast or just starting out, the SEUBi BK Companion will be your trusted tool for survival and outdoor exploration. Embrace the wilderness with the SEUBi, a bushcraft knife crafted for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Its 4.53-inch blade, made from tough 1075 carbon steel, boasts a Scandi grind and drop point design, delivering exceptional performance for carving, cutting, and wood processing. Whether you're building a shelter or crafting tools, this knife transforms rugged tasks into rewarding experiences. The beautifully satin-finished blade is matched with a premium wooden handle, offering a comfortable grip for extended use. Its thoughtful design ensures balance and precision, essential for the demands of bushcrafting. Adding to its utility, the SEUBi includes a high-quality leather sheath and a versatile bushcraft accessory tool. From wedging and prying to fire starting and collecting pitch, this tool amplifies your outdoor capabilities. Built for function and reliability, the SEUBi is ready to take on every adventure with you. Introducing the Benchmade Bushcrafter 163BK, a premium fixed-blade knife crafted for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Designed by renowned maker Shane Sibbert, this knife is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the 162 Bushcrafter, and is set to enhance your bushcraft experience. At 9.04 inches long, with a robust 0.16-inch CPM Crewware steel blade, it excels at every outdoor task. Whether you're splitting logs or preparing fine tinder, the ultra-sharp factory edge handles tough materials with ease. The nearly 1-inch thick handle, featuring carbon fiber scales over red G10 liners, offers an ergonomic grip, perfect for rigorous use. Plus, the Kydex sheath includes a ferro rod holder and a secure locking mechanism, ensuring your knife remains safe during your adventures. While it comes with a premium price tag, the Benchmade Bushcrafter 163BK is a worthy investment, built in America with meticulous attention to detail. For those who seek the best, this knife is a must-have companion for any outdoor endeavor. The Cold Steel SRK is engineered for those who push boundaries. Equipped with a 6-inch SK5 steel blade, coated in a durable black Tough-X finish, this knife is ready for extreme outdoor challenges and demanding rescue missions. Its clip point design delivers precision for detailed cuts, while maintaining the strength needed for skinning, slashing, and chopping tasks. Measuring 10.75 inches in total, the SRK balances robust construction with sharp performance. The 3/16" thick blade ensures a resilient edge and tip, making it adaptable to various tasks. Its deeply checkered Crayex handle provides a solid grip in any condition, while the single Quillian finger guard ensures safety during intense use. The SRK comes with a SecureX sheath, offering convenient carry for quick access during any adventure or emergency. Whether navigating the wild or tackling tough situations, the cold steel SRK stands as a reliable companion for survival, rescue, and all-around rugged utility. Meet the Zero Tolerance 0006, a blade built for those who demand the best. This American-made fixed blade is a beast, boasting a 10.7-inch overall length with a 6-inch CPM 3V super steel blade. Whether you're tackling hard-to-use tasks in the wild or need a reliable combat or survival knife, this is your go-to. With a beefy 0.19-inch thickness, the full tank construction ensures unmatched durability and strength. The 006 merges elements of survival, combat, and bushcraft knives into one mighty tool. Its razor-sharp, full-flat grind blade excels in wood processing, whether whittling or feather sticking. The textured G10 handle provides a secure grip, even with gloves on, and deep notches along the spine give extra control for tougher jobs. The custom KYDEX sheath enhances functionality with multiple carry options to suit your needs. Tough, versatile, and premium, the Zero Tolerance 0006 is ready for any adventure, big or small. Gear up for your next outdoor adventure with the SHRADE-SCHF36 Frontier. Built for bushcrafting, this knife features a 5.05-inch full tang blade made from rugged 1095 high-carbon steel, coated in black powder for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance. Whether you're chopping wood, building shelters, or preparing food, the SCHF36 is designed to handle it all. What sets it apart is the versatile spine, which doubles as a striker for starting fires with a ferro rod. The textured handle ensures a solid, secure grip in any weather conditions, while the black nylon sheath keeps it easily accessible. The sheath even comes with a handy storage pouch, equipped with a ferro rod, striker, and sharpening stone, ensuring you're fully prepared for any task. With the SHRADE-SCHF36 Frontier by your side, you're ready for whatever the wild throws your way.